It's me again. OMG, I just don't know when to stop. Your girl, to be honest, is recording like 4 freaking videos, which you guys will find on my channel, by the way. So tap in, tap in, tap in. It's me, GemZ. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. That sounds nice. This video I'm gonna try to make it quick because your girl is limited on space. I have 19 minutes left to record this last video, and it's a lot of clothes. So we're just gonna hurry up and just get into it. If you find this video cutesy, or you like it, or give this a like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so you can get notified every time I post a new video and you will ever miss out. Let's get into the video. You already know it's going to be another Shein haul. These outfits are not business attire, but if you do want to see something very close to business attire, very womanly, very fashionable, there is going to be a video linked at the end of this video, so you guys will go ahead and tap into that. But if you guys are still like a hot girl summer kind of vibe, sexy, very mature, this video is for you. So stay tuned for. Let's just start off with this top, because this top is giving. Yeah, she's giving very loose. I don't have to tighten it too much, which we're not doing that. So let's get into the details though. She's so counterfeit. If you guys want to know where I got these shorts from, there is also another video I'm going to be linking right here, so you guys can go ahead and tap that and you can get all the details on these shorts. You bitches in dark shadow. Whoa. I'm pretty. Let's get into the jeans. I love her. She's very simple, as you guys can see. She can probably piece with anything. Okay. Okay. I love her. I love her. I love her. Let's get into the bottom. Okay. This is the shirt. She comes in many different colors. It's like a bundle, and it comes in white, forest green, black, and I have on the gray. Very comfortable. She does stretch a lot, so be mindful of that. I got her in a medium. I didn't want her to fit too tight, so I just wanted her to be like, you know, fit but not too tight, because I hate if I were to wear a bra and you just see my bra just squeezing my guts and just making it look like I got love handles, especially on a tight shirt. I think we all been there before, so we're not doing that, sis. We're not doing that. So here is the tube top right here, and she is giving what she's supposed to give. Look at that crisscross effect that we got on the neck part. It's super breathable, and I hate shirts that be feeling like I'm choking. Like I be feeling like I gotta do this to breathe or to eat. No, y'all never had one of those shirts? Lucky you. But if you did, then you know what I'm talking about. Super comfortable. You can't go wrong with this. At this point, I think I'm just probably gonna take off my chain, but I'm not. It's too much work. Just know that this bulk right here is my chain. So this is another top. It's super cute. It's like a nude color. I also got her in a medium. She comes in a pack of 4. The link for these will be in the description box as well, so you guys will see which tube tops and different type of tank tops come with them. But yeah, if you guys see me looking over this, because I'm trying to like record for YouTube and I'm also recording for TikTok. I love this color on me. She compliments very much. Like I said, I don't like shirts that chokes me, and to be honest, so far I think I'm fine. But I wouldn't put a necklace under here. I'll probably put like a small gold chain, maybe like a round chain. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but yeah. If not, I'll probably put no necklace at all, because she doesn't really need one. This is just really funny because but yeah, y'all get it. Super cute, super lightweight. She's in a size medium. I love the color. Obsessed. Your girl is doing it. Your girl is doing the content creation, guys. This is another shirt. Super cute. classy color. For some reason, I don't know, I just feel so womanized. What's the word? Help me find it. Comment it if you know it. Help me, okay? Don't let me be out here looking all sorts of crazy. That's what she makes me feel like, because she's so calm and so settled. I feel like I can match her with anything to pop up. Ooh. Like, y'all, tell me that this is not cute. You can't tell me that this is not cute. Like, tell me it's not cute. And imagine if I had like some pink heels that match this color, or just gold, and just let this be the only pop of color. I'll probably match it with like some lip combo. You get what I mean? Like, oh my gosh, y'all see where I'm going with this? This purse is actually from Shein, so if you guys like this purse, let me know and I'll give you like some more details about it, maybe in a TikTok video. So make sure y'all follow me on TikTok. I had to pop the necklace out because I was tired of like putting it under my shirts, because it was just like suffocating. Y'all, this is actually a part of this whole thing, and I was like, the pop of pink that I was talking about. Like, look at this cardigan. Look at the details. First of all, let's get into it. Y'all, this is super soft. She feels so nice. Oh my gosh. I don't know how far back I need to get back, but just know I'm trying to make it fit. This V cut right here is giving. I literally showed TikTok what it looks like the other way around. So if you guys want to see what that looks like, just go ahead and check out my TikTok. My TikTok will be linked in the description box down below. Give me a follow for all the gems. So yeah, this is the skirt. She has some really cute pockets. Of course, we love skirts that have pockets, even though we're not gonna put anything in those pockets. It's so flowy. Like, I feel like I could just I feel like I could just drift away. Like, I feel like I'm just ready for a vacation. The in and outs on the bottom, that it's not all equal length at the bottom. She got this cute little bow right here in the front. Of course, if you guys don't want this bow, you can just go ahead and just drop it. You know, do whatever you guys want, however you feel. Just feel free. Super cute, super demure. Ignore the skirt. This top is super cute. I also got her in a size medium. Like, this pop of blue, just very cutesy. She also comes in multiple colors. She comes in like this pretty gray, black, and white. You got options. You got options. You the right one. I have no idea how much time I have left on this ring light, y'all. It's a portable ring light, so if I cannot finish my content, I'm gonna be very upset because I'm literally almost done. Here is this cute little shorts. It's like butterfly shorts. It has like these little ripples on the bottom and on the top, which gives it a very cutesy kind of vibe. She does also come with like a pre-panty. That's why you see like a panty line. So that's just something to look out for. If you guys don't like this type of style, then this is not for you, but you can cut her out if you're not into all of that. The last set of the video, she comes in multiple colors. She comes in black and she comes in sky blue. If you guys want me to try all three of my colors, I can try them on TikTok. Just let me know if you guys want to see the outfits basically that had multiple colored shirts that I didn't get to try on all of the colors. And if you guys want to see me try on all the colors, just let me know in the comments below, and then I'll go ahead and try them on TikTok, or I can just go ahead and post them on YouTube Shorts. So make sure y'all let me know, okay? So here is the green set. She is super cute, super pretty, super comfortable. I got her in a size medium. I probably would have gotten her in a size large just for me to be a little bit more comfortable. I thought that these were going to be super big, okay? And it's actually small, so they run small, even though they're stretchy, but they just hold your body very tight. So that's just a FYI. for my girlies. She is giving. Am I falling? Yes, yes I am. Okay. This is the bottoms.
Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal.
I can tell that my ring light is dying. She's fading away, okay? Okay, so just bear with me, y'all. That basically wraps up this whole entire video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Let me know if you want some more videos like this or less videos like this, what you want more of. Leave me a comment, I'll comment back. I don't bite. If you haven't joined the Teddy Bell family, the GemZ family, because you are my gem babies, so join the GemZ family and become my gem babies. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to turn on bell notifications to get notified every time I post a new video, and you will never get missed out. Everything will be linked in the description box down below. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. It's time for me to take some pictures, so check Instagram for the pics. Bye.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in time.